drifting every corner in the rain in my stage 2 BMW 540i. I know we just got done watching a car clip, but we gotta actually get some good driving in here. Cause Jesus, this was by Treeshy. This was 4 days ago. His BMW is fire.
Alright, YouTube, what is up? Today we're back with another video. You guys seem to enjoy last video, so we're about to have a part 2 tonight. It's currently Sunday, so there's not a lot of people outside right now. So, you know, should I go straight or should I? Let me go straight and then go, yeah, hold on. Twerking already, son? I'm in this bitch TB.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna copyright that bitch. Blur the sound out, blur the sound out.
My tires is like so bald right now, bruh.
Yeah, I need that good quality.
Copper, I'm gonna go right.
Oh. Yo, the interior.
Hold it down for the foe.
Fucking amazing, bro.
Not by no bitch. We ain't fall off by hoes.
Both of my ears on froze. Sipping on me.
Okay. Thank you, Rody. Thank you.
Tell you the interior lighting.
Oh my God.
Unboxing,
My tires aren't the best right now, so that shit is...
If you know me, you know I love fingers.
We're supposed to buy another one after last video. Okay. Got a little 328i action in this bitch. Buddy out here wild.
Right.
Let's go this way.
That radar going there. I have
traction all the way off. Barely any tires. Okay. I'm playing a very risky game right now, but still gonna make it work.
Right. If you really got the wheel, you like that.
They trying to catch what I'm screwing. Hold on.
That's a little wonky ass roundabout, man. A smaller roundabout.
Let's see.
About to spin it? Oh, I told you I need
in the rain, this bitch does get sideways though. It definitely gets, it's about the first time I do this in the rain. But it definitely does get sideways though.
Crazy.
Oh.
And then them downshifts.
Man.
Crazy.
This shit crazy. Like slipping everywhere, nigga. God damn. Anyone here? Nah, okay, cool.
Give me one, give me one. Shit, what?
Speed bump. Ooh!
Damn.
Caught that one. This is way too fun.
Yo, there are too many speed bumps, cuz. I just noticed the yo. I don't know how I just caught that. The little holographic. It got the holographic dash. Ooh. Yo, that's trim as fuck.
Oh my god, this is so fun right now, bro.
Oh, I thought he was about to go. I was like, yo, cuz about to mad.
Anyone here? Okay, no car coming. Hold on. I was meaning right here. Hold on.
What?
This bitch is wilding right now.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. I need me a Beamer, cuz. I need one. I need one. Especially if you really been tapped in, you know, we went to this car meet and we had a Beamer on the highway with us. Yo, yeah, I need me a Beamer. I need one.
Okay.
I will do whatever it takes. I will get Diddy out of jail if I got to. If that's what it takes for me to get a Beamer, nigga, consider him free tomorrow. Consider him free tomorrow. Look out.
This type of shit right here, bro. Even though it's super dangerous, it's so fun right now because it's wet outside. So all you do is just slide. Alright.
User mark ahead.
Okay. Shit sound like a little paintball gun. That's and it's the fact he got the wheel with it too.
This shit is wild.
I don't know. It's just something about little POV drives. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro, there's no way I'm about to stop right here, bro.
He said you're not stopping. Say we threw
Oh
that.
my, jeez. This thing is like. Tomorrow morning, as soon as I wake up, first thing, tire shop.
Oh, yeah.
First thing on my list.
You gonna need some new tires, gang. You gonna need some new tires, gang. Your shit's gonna be harder than Michael Jordan. Gotta go gas, brake, gas, brake, gas, brake. Else you're gonna go gas, wall, bound. And you don't want to do that.
Nah, this shit was too fun, bro. Need to go back. Whoa!
God, what?
Nigga!
That nigga got
This
He's
shit.
not going back. He is not going back. Yo, bro, like that bitch.
Golly! There's a cop right there. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Word.
Act like I ain't do nothing wrong.
What's the word?
I shifted up so fast.
Like I can see through his ears.
Yeah, guys, all you gotta do is visit their website at St. Motorsports and purchase any form of merch, a hoodie, a t-shirt, or any part on their website, and it will automatically enter you in their raffle. Keep in mind,
Cuz doing promo?
of a
Cuz doing promo in the passenger seat?
hoodie on the website gives you 4 times entry inside the raffle. This hoodie's like fire, just like the one I got. These hoodies are super fire, super comfy. And remember, t-shirts give you 2 times entry into the raffle. T-shirts give you 2 times entry. The sweaters, hoodies, whatever you call it. gives
Oh
you
no, he
4 times
watching some
entry.
shit. I was finna say, cuz doing promo in the passenger seat during my video.
Let's get past the cop a little bit, and then we're gonna run back the marathon. Oh yeah, it's a wide open road. Wide open Pondy Road.
Visit their website at St. Motorsports.
I
Keep on right here.
Oh, I was finna say, like, he's finna walk it up the street.
This guy.
I have to give me one. I need one.
Jeez, man. Nah, this way is low-key. Nah, let's go this way.
Yo, what's crazy is I can only imagine how it sounds like in person, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Wherever this is, I'm gonna need to take a trip up there so I can hear it in person. This nigga's crazy. This nigga's crazy.
Shawarmas? Is lit at night? Fuck no. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, they just finished sectioning up the road, but definitely do appreciate you guys for watching today's video, and gonna catch you guys in the next one.
Hard. Gotta give condolences from running from emotion. Gotta say I'm sorry, mama, stuck up on this push. Gotta apologize to the ones I let